Fujian Steel Egg Hardware Technology Company Limited is the subsidiary of Oplex Group, positioning premium ceramic barbecue series production via the power of our headquarter and hard working on offering product with outstanding quality and affordable price. We had become the leading ceramic barbecue manufacturer with 15,000 square meters workshops property and advanced facility like laser cutting machine, automatic 100-meter electric tunnel kiln, etc. Besides, we passed factory audit like BSCI, SEDEX, and FQA from OBI, MGB. Heavy-duty order witness our quality. We are benefits from our vertical supply chain, from ceramic part to metal. We are proud to say that Steel Egg Hardware is the manufacturer who can produce both ceramic part and metal part in the world. Mostly part in ceramic barbecue is produced by ourselves. Thus, we offer much more competitive price and controllable quality. Also more flexible terms to meet our customers' customized demand. Now we own 8 senior engineers for barbecue developing, 5 experienced QA, and over 10 sales and graphic designer team to serve our customers. We keep focusing on customized product solutions for customer and partner to ensure the branded, private label product offerings are relevant and competitive for each market on a global level. We are the right one who is deserved to be your long-term partner to develop much more market together.